up, everybody? We're the Adventure Boys,
and today we're going to be showing you how to make the best paper airplane.
So we'll get out there, show you how it performs, and then come back and show you how to make it.
Pretty good. Where'd it go? Oh, right there.
That was a long flight. Please tell me.
You said no?
No, go. Alright, so to make this paper airplane, you're going to need a regular piece of printer paper. You can use different thicknesses, but as long as you can get a good crease on the piece of paper, really any piece of paper will work. Just kind of the thicker, the better. Obviously you don't want to use like cardboard, but something pretty thick and pretty sturdy. So you're going to start by folding it long ways, like this, and the closer you get that lined up, if that would focus, closer it lines up, the better, because that's just going to make your creases that much more exact on the plane, in return making it glide a little bit better. So you're going to fold it long ways like this, and then once I get the main crease done, I kind of run along it like this and get a real sharp edge, and then sometimes I use like my part of my thumb there to really get a good crease. So once you got that creased off real good, should be real tight, then you're going to open it back up, just like this. You're going to open it back up and fold this corner into here, so this edge right here is matching up to right here. So just like this. Like this right here. And with this as well, the more precise you make it, the better. It should look just like that on the first side. This side too. Just like that. Then you're going to fold this side right here, this top point right here, down. So it's not at the bottom, but so it's about right there, and to where the corners, like the edges down here, are a direct point. So there's not, so it doesn't look like a straight with a straight part, just like that. So it has all the way a point like that. So you're gonna pull it, just kind of take your finger on the point and pull it up. And then you can follow down with your same finger and see if it's gonna match up right, which mine is not yet. So you're gonna kind of want this. Okay, like that. Okay. Ooh, it went crooked. All right, and then from here, you're gonna take this edge right here and fold it down, or this corner, I mean, fold it down to the center crease here. This crease is off nice and good. Okay, you're gonna fold it down like this. So it should have, you're gonna make a diamond shape once you do the other side too. So this part is a little difficult, but still pretty easy. So it should look like that. So it should have it folded over just like that. Then you're gonna repeat that with the other side. Alright, so you should have kind of a diamond-shaped triangle right here. That's what it should look like. Then you should have also basically another diamond or triangle right here. You can see that. Then you're gonna take this bottom triangle, you're gonna fold it up, so just like this. You're gonna pull it up basically as far as you can without ripping these other flaps. Just like that. Then you're gonna crease that off real good. And then from here, this is just gonna fold along this main crease, just like this. It's gonna fold in half. Then at this point, I normally make sure all the creases are real nice and tight. I run along this one, make sure that's nice and tight, this is nice and tight. Then from here, you're gonna notice this line right here, coming along here. You're gonna fold this edge to where it basically matches up with that. So, okay, there we go, and so it should go with that, say, along this edge should go along that line. And then make sure on the back, you kind of pull it down like that. So it doesn't end up being like, the wing doesn't end up going that way. Yep, so it should look like that. Fold it down, looks like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. The second side is usually a lot easier because you can just match it up along with the other side. Okay, just gonna keep going along like this. Make sure everything is all pretty straight. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. You have that right there, but it's not done. You're gonna wanna fold at the tips of the wings. You're gonna see the flat part. You're gonna wanna fold that, so you're not just folding it in like that, but you're not folding it up like that. It's kinda gonna be like this. Just like that. Then we'll do the same on the other side. Just like that. Then you should have these elevators basically at the back. That's what it should look like right there. So mine's a little crooked here, but hey everybody, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.